Hello everyone, I am hosting a 4-day live workshop on Autodesk Fusion 360. So if you are struggling with this Autodesk Fusion 360 tool or you are just getting started, this workshop is right for you. In this workshop, we will be covering like how to create basic sketches inside Fusion 360 and how to convert those sketches into 3D models. And we'll also be covering how you can generate realistic images using Autodesk Fusion 360 from your 3D models. And in the end, we'll also learn how to create technical drawings from your 3D models that you can supply to your vendors or manufacturers. I will also explain you how you can export your 3D models for 3D printing using Fusion 360. So are you ready to take your CAD skills to the next level? Then reserve your seat now because we are taking only 20 signups at this moment. The moment you will reserve your seat, you will get access to our exclusive WhatsApp community where you can ask me questions, and I am always available over here to answer all of your queries and problems you are facing. So let's design the future together.